Imagine living in a town built directly inside the giant crater of a massive, active volcano that could erupt at any second. Welcome back to World Blueprint. Today, we are traveling deep into the Philippine Sea to explore Aogashima, the most dangerous volcanic island in Japan. Living inside a volcano sounds like madness, and history proves why. In 1785, the volcano suffered a catastrophic eruption. Massive rivers of red-hot lava forced the entire population to flee. Tragically, nearly half of the island's residents lost their lives before they could reach safety. For 50 years, the island remained completely dead. But then, the descendants of the survivors did the unthinkable. They moved right back into the active crater. Today, nearly 170 people live here. They use the volcano's natural heat to get free hot water, generate steam power, and create premium volcanic salt that they export worldwide. Aogashima has no natural harbors, meaning the only way into this secret world is by a single helicopter flight or a terrifying boat ride through rough ocean waves. Would you ever dare to live inside an active volcano? Let me know in the comments below. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to World Blueprint, and map out the world with us. See you next time.